Hello everybody and welcome to another video from Conservation Land Services, and it's mid-March and today we're going to have a look at another plant that's on the Schedule 9 of the Wildlife and Countryside Act as amended in 1981, and that's Variegated Yellow Archangel, Lamium galeobdolon. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and we can have a close look at it. This is Variegated Yellow Archangel. So what you're looking for is these distinctive yellow flowers, but the key differentiator between Variegated Yellow Archangel and the native is this distinctive variegated leaf. Rather, it looks as if someone's dropped some white paint on the leaf. So the leaf is not too dissimilar to a nettle, looks like a nettle, but you get this variation, this white silver colouring on the leaf. Okay, so I hope you'll find that's helpful.